Namaste, my dear friends. Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI, has made a very important announcement on 23rd of December 2020, that is today. And here I'm trying to share with you as to what is that announcement. So let me straight away get into the announcement part. Here we are. ICAI has made an announcement for an opt-out status. This is an ICAI notification for January, February 2021 and for May 21 exam eligibility. So this is for both. Let me tell you what the institute is trying to tell in this notification. Firstly, how to get into this notification. Go to icai.org website. There you will find important announcements. Now where you find this word important announcements, there you click onto that important announcements. Once you click there on to important announcements, it will take you into this page where it will give you all the announcements there. And there you can see here, you can click on to this announcement called as important announcement for Jan 21 examination and exam city change application dated today, 23rd December 2020. So let's see what this announcement says. So if you click here, you will be going into the actual announcement given by ICAI. Let me quickly explain as to what this announcement is trying to tell us from ICAI. This is starting with for January 21 examinations and exam city change applications. So what are they trying to tell us here? Let's observe this notification now. Starting, it says, in continuation of announcement dated 7th November, provided an opt-out facility to the examinees of November 20 to appear in Jan or May. So this is for those who went into the opt-out options. That means who took the option saying that I don't want to write it in November, but instead I will opt to write it either in January or in May 21 exams. Based on candidates opted out or appeared, list of candidates eligible to appear in Jan or May has been finalized. As to who is eligible to write in Jan and May has been finalized by ICAI. This is the most important part, my dear friends, this one. Students here, this one, which says students can check the position from their dashboard at icai.org, that is iciexam.icai.org, for the activity tab which says opt-out status display or city change for Jan, Feb 21 or May 21 examinations. Look at the possibilities what you have here. One, I want you to please go and check, especially those who have opted out, check in the opt-out status display whether your name appears and you're eligible to write the Jan, Feb, May, whatever examinations. Secondly, those who want to change their exam city, you can also make an application for change. So students appearing in Jan, Feb exams will also have an opportunity to apply online for change of exam city. The above stated facility will be available only from today, 23rd of December to 26th of December only. And therefore, in this 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, in these 4 days, ensure, number one, check whether your name appears in the opt-out status display. And second, if you want to go for change of exam center, ensure that exam city change application is made. And the timings, be careful, 23rd to 26th, you have to make this applications. If you have any grievances related to opt-out of November 20 exams, students may use the same dashboard at iciexam.ici.org. This was the announcement. Important for us to tell you. Why? Because the time frame is only from 23rd to 26th. Number one, please check your opt-out status. And second, if you want to change the exam city, please go ahead and do that. So we wish you all the very best. We will pray to ensure that you all do well in the examinations. Love you all. All the very best for your examinations. Thank you so much.